Elementor is one of the most popular landing page builders out there, but before you make the leap and buy, there are a few things you need to know that could help you decide if it's the right choice for you, especially when you compare it to alternatives like Wix or Lead Pages. First, Elementor's drag and drop interface is one of its biggest selling points. Unlike some competitors, it's intuitive, easy to use, and doesn't require coding knowledge. If you're looking to create a landing page quickly, this feature will save you time and hassle. But you should know that its full potential is unlocked only with the Pro version. While the free version offers basic functionality, Pro adds features like more widgets, custom CSS, and theme builder capabilities. Next thing to consider is the performance and speed of your landing pages. Elementor pages can sometimes be slower than those built with simpler website builders. It's not the worst, but if speed is a priority for your landing page, you may want to keep this in mind. Competitors like Unbounce or Instapage are designed for high-speed landing pages right out of the box. The third thing, SEO optimization. Elementor does come with a set of basic SEO tools, but it's not as robust as other platforms like WordPress combined with Yoast SEO. You'll need to rely on third-party tools to get the most out of your SEO strategy, which can be a hassle for beginners. The fourth thing is the template library. Elementor has an impressive collection of pre-built templates for landing pages. However, if you're looking for unique and highly customizable designs, it's worth noting that while the library is vast, the templates can sometimes feel a bit generic. This is something you'll need to balance if you want your landing page to stand out. Next, let's talk integrations. Elementor works with many popular plugins and third-party services. But here's the catch: some integrations require additional plugins, and sometimes they can cause conflicts or slow down your site. Competitors like Lead Pages tend to have built-in integrations with CRMs and email services, saving you time and ensuring smoother functionality. The sixth thing to consider is mobile responsiveness. Elementor's templates are mobile-friendly, but you'll still need to do some adjustments for optimal viewing on different devices. Unlike some competitors that automatically optimize for mobile, Elementor does give you more control, which can be a plus if you're experienced, but a downside if you're a beginner. Now, let's talk support. Elementor does offer customer support, but it's not as fast or comprehensive as some premium services. If you're running into issues, it can take a while to get help, and if you're used to 24/7 support, this could be a downside. The eighth point, customization options. Elementor shines in this department. Whether it's adding custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript, it gives you full flexibility. This is a major advantage over competitors like Wix or Squarespace, where customization options are often limited unless you dive into coding. Next up is the cost. While the free version is great, the Pro version can get pretty pricey, especially for small businesses or solo entrepreneurs. If you're just starting out, it might be a steep investment compared to cheaper alternatives like Wix. But keep in mind, if you need advanced features, the price is justified. The 10th thing to think about is scalability. Elementor is great for small to medium-sized websites, but as your business grows, you may find yourself running into limitations, especially when it comes to handling large numbers of pages or complex functionality. For larger scale operations, you might want to look into more powerful tools like Webflow or even WordPress with custom-built solutions. The 11th point to mention is security. While Elementor itself doesn't pose significant security risks, the fact that it's built on WordPress means you're still exposed to WordPress vulnerabilities. Be prepared to keep your site up to date and implement additional security measures. Competitors like Wix, which are more closed systems, handle security updates for you automatically. Finally, Elementor is a good tool, but it's not the only option. For users looking for a more straightforward, no-fuss landing page solution, you may want to consider a competitor like Lead Pages or Unbounce, which offer more dedicated landing page features and better out-of-the-box performance. All in all, Elementor is a solid choice for building landing pages with a lot of customization options, but if you want a simpler, more streamlined solution, check out our recommended tool. It's free to try, and it might be the perfect fit for your business.